Hello friends! In this video, we intend to go through the steps of using the Orbex Broker Dashboard together. Once you enter the trading cabin of this broker, you will be able to go through specific steps, choosing the account type, completing your profile, submitting documents and a pair of checks, and starting your trades. You can easily register to use the services. The main sections, which include account management, fund transfer, trading tools, and document downloads, can be found in the left menu. And in this part, the support section, you can click on it to receive further help or guidance, and this option is designed for quick responses. In this section, the funds menu includes the main financial options. The first option is deposit, which is for depositing funds. The next option is withdrawal, which is related to withdrawing funds. And the next one is transfer funds, which is for transferring funds between your trading accounts. There's also My Banks, which is for managing users' bank account information. In this section, we will open the funds menu, which includes the main financial options. The deposit option is for depositing funds, and the next option is withdrawal, which is for withdrawing funds. The next part is transfer funds, which is for transferring funds between accounts. And the next option is My Bank. It is for managing users' bank account information. In the next section, in the Add Account menu, at this stage of the dashboard, we see the Add Account option, which allows you to add a new account. The options under this menu include New Live Account. The next option is New Demo Account, which allows you to create a demo account where you can practice without any risk. This feature is particularly beneficial for beginners who are new to trading and want to gain experience in a safe environment. It provides a platform to test strategies and understand market dynamics without the fear of losing real money. The next option is Account Type Comparison, which is for comparing different types of accounts and selecting the most suitable option. This tool is essential for users who wish to evaluate the various features, benefits, and limitations of each account type, ensuring they make an informed decision that aligns with their trading goals and preferences. In this section of the dashboard, you can see the PAMM menu, which is designed for managing investments using the PAMM method. The options under this menu include PAMM Investor, which is for investors who want to invest in PAMM accounts. In this section, you will see the login option, where you can enter your investment account using the information you have. The next option is PAMM Manager. This is for managers who create PAMM accounts and manage the trades. In this section, you can also register and log into this account. The next option is PAMM Strategies, which is for viewing and selecting different PAMM strategies. In the next section of the dashboard, the Trading Tools menu is displayed, which provides various trading tools. The main options include Market Open, which is for receiving market information, and news. The next part is Economic Insight, which includes analysis, and you can see the relevant economic data in this section. The next section is Technical Views, which provides technical analyses to help you make better decisions. The next section is about the Trading Calculator, where you can find trading calculators to calculate lot sizes, margin, and profit. The next section is for requesting a virtual server for your stable trading. In this section, you can request this matter. The next section is related to reports, where you can see account and transactions. And the next option is related to your access to the Metatrader 4 and Metatrader 5 trading terminals, which you can access by clicking on this option. You enter your trading account information in Metatrader 4 or 5, and by clicking the OK option, you will access your trading account in this terminal. We're returning to the trading dashboard at the Orbex broker. In the My Documents section, you can upload documents for verification and identity confirmation. In the next section, the Download section, in this section of the broker dashboard, you are able to download important documents such as client correspondence. You can also download various policies and trading software like Metatrader 4 and 5 for different operating systems. In the next section, which is related to settings, you will be able to manage your account settings. They are available for download. In the next section, which is related to settings, you are able to manage your account settings. Options like two-step identity verification, receiving notifications, and subscribing to the newsletter can be activated or deactivated. The next section is market research, which can be accessed by clicking on this option, which is related to market analysis, including technical and fundamental analysis. And in this section, you can access the latest analyses, articles, and forecasts related to financial markets. We return to the trading account, and in this section you will see an option called Need Help, which is related to support and requesting assistance through support. And from this section, as I explained at the beginning of the video, you can connect with support team. We're closing the support page, and in this section, by selecting this option, you can create a digital wallet in the Orbex broker, which will help you manage your capital easily and maintain high liquidity. This was a summary of working with the Orbex broker dashboard, and in the upcoming videos, we'll go into more detail. This was a summary of working with the Orbex broker in upcoming videos. We will go over how to work with the Orbex broker's content menu in more detail. Wishing you success and profitability.